Opening scene, a lively laboratory with bubbling beakers and the hum of machinery. Our host, Dr. Steelina Ferrite, a charismatic metallurgist, steps into view wearing safety goggles and a lab coat. Dr. Ferrite. Hello, metal enthusiasts. Welcome to the fantastic world of smelting, where ores get a makeover hotter than a summer romance. I'm Dr. Steelina Ferrite, your guide to the sizzling journey from rocks to metals. Grab your safety goggles, folks. Things are about to get molten. Cut to an animated graphic of a furnace heating up with flames and sparks. Dr. Ferrite. Now, smelting is like the ultimate makeover for metals. We take these shy, introverted metal ores and transform them into dazzling, confident elements that are ready to shine in the metal scene. Transition to a cartoon ore with sunglasses and that disco ball, symbolizing its transformation. Dr. Ferrite. Picture this. You've got this party animal called an ore. It could be iron, copper, or even gold. But alas, it's trapped in a compound with some not-so-cool elements. We need to liberate our metal friend and show it the light of independence. Cut to Dr. Ferrite holding a tiny ore in her hands. Dr. Ferrite. Enter the furnace, our magical transformation chamber. It's like a metal spa minus the cucumber eye masks. Cut to an animated furnace with flames and sparkles. Dr. Ferrite. We start by heating things up, and I mean hot. We're talking temperatures that make that backyard barbecue look like a cozy campfire. This is where the real party begins. Cut to animated ore particles dancing as they heat up. Dr. Ferrite. As we heat the ore, we introduce our VIP guest, the reducing agent. In our case, it's Coke. Not the soda, sorry. No fizzy drinks here. Coke is carbon-rich and loves to mingle with oxygen. They have a fiery dance, and before you know it, the metal in the ore is liberated. Cut to a cartoon of carbon and oxygen doing a fiery tango. Dr. Ferrite. But hold your lab coats. We're not done yet. We've got a sidekick in this adventure. Meet our flux, usually limestone. It teams up with impurities to form slag, a bit like the superhero duo fighting off the villains. Cut to animated slag and impurities being pushed away. Dr. Ferrite. Now, the stage is set, the metal is ready, and the impurities are of the picture. It's time for the grand finale, tapping that molten metal from the furnace. Cut to Dr. Ferrite triumphantly tapping molten metal from a furnace. Dr. Ferrite. Voila! Our metal is now in its elemental form, ready to rock the metallurgical world. Smelting, turning ores into metal superstars, since who knows when. Closing scene with Dr. Ferrite holding a metal ingot and waving. Dr. Ferrite. That's a wrap, metalheads. I hope you enjoyed this scorching journey through smelting. Remember, metals may be tough, but they have a soft spot for a little heat and chemistry. Until next time, stay metallurgically fabulous.